In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do math with Google Sheets. So, let's dive right in and get started. Begin by opening up Google Sheets, a powerful tool for organizing data and a very handy app for performing calculations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to polish your skills, this tutorial will guide you through some basic mathematical operations within Google Sheets. First things first, once you've opened a new Google Sheet, your next step is to click on cell D1. This cell will be the first one you'll work with for our demonstration. Now, let's start with a simple addition operation. In cell D1, type the formula A1 plus B1. This formula adds the values in cells A1 and B1, displaying the result in D1 as soon as you press enter. You can think of it as telling Google Sheets to sum up what's in those two boxes. After hitting the enter key, it's time to move on to subtraction. Click on cell D2. This is where your subtraction result will go. Type in the formula x A2 B2. Just like before, this will take the value in cell A2 and subtract the value in B2. Once you press enter, the result appears in D2. Next, let's explore multiplication. Select cell D3 and input the formula aux A3 B3. This formula multiplies the values in A3 and B3, and the product will show up in cell D3 as soon as you hit enter. Moving on to division, head over to cell D4 and enter the formula aux A4 B4. This operation divides the value in A4 by the value in B4, and when you press enter, your quotient will appear in D4. Remember, if B4 contains 0, Sheets will return an error because dividing by 0 is not possible. Now let's look at exponents. In cell D5, type A5 B5. This formula raises the value in A5 to the power of the value in B5. As you press enter, the calculated power will be displayed in D5. Finally, for finding square roots, click on cell D6 and use the formula SSQRT B6. This function calculates the square root of the value in B6, and once you press enter, the result will appear in D6. This feature is particularly useful in statistical analyses and other mathematical data evaluations. And there you have it, a basic introduction to performing mathematical operations in Google Sheets. With these simple formulas, you can tackle a variety of computational tasks, making your spreadsheets a powerful ally in data management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy calculating.